they've been together, there's no other party. Pero parang she couldn't say yes at the moment of proposal. Sabi ng friend ko, ay pag ganon, there's something na. Kasi if you love someone and you really think your life is with them, it's
Yes ka na kagad.
parang you don't even think about it. What's your take on it? Kasi ako, minsan may mga tao, they don't know that they're ready, or some people are not ready right away, pero yung in the process, nagiging ready. What's your take? Ikaw.
Well,
Wait, sino nag-propose sa inyo?
No! Ay, kiniklip ako. Hindi. Masyado naman yun.
I always tell my guy friends whenever they ask about proposing, you always have to leave space for the girl to say no.
Sa bagay, it's a question.
proposal.
Right.
Ay, ako bago ko binigay yung sing-sing, pinihintay ko muna yung sagot. Kasi umiyak na siya eh. Nag-propose ako, umiyak na siya, tapos nagyakapan na sila ng friends niya. Pero
Hindi mo,
I
kanino ka
didn't-
talaga
I didn't give up the ring. I haven't answered yet.
Hindi siya yung niyak. Hindi yung kaibigan.
Kasi nung binigay niya yung singsing, nakapambahay lang ako. Gusto ko ba't hindi niyo ako pre-prepare? Hindi ba
Sana nagbihis ako.
Actually, that's a concern for
Hindi ako
girls.
maganda sa picture.
Diba, that's what they say now. How do you tell the girl na mag-ayos ka? Kasi without saying na, kasi
Yeah,
you're
it's gonna
going
be a
to get
big day.
proposed
Yeah.
to.
That's why usually they do it, diba? Restaurant.
Yeah, or
Parang
you-
medyo mag-aayos ka.
You usually say, hey, let's have a night out, like a date night or whatever. So at least they're sort of prepared for it. And,
Medyo.
Kaayos na.
ask help from the sister, the friends.
I proposed kasi on her birthday and on her birthday, it's the only day really that she does not,
Work.
no, that the rest of the year, she's just so cool about things. But
Yeah.
on her birthday, nobody can tell her what to do. So we were
Right.
just planning around her whole thing.
I plan my birthday like, as in, naka-block off yan for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You can make me work for 24/7. Pero when it's May, it's my birth month.
Wala.
Yung 2 weeks na yun, hindi ka pwedeng, hindi mo aawayin talaga. Kita pag bigla sila mo, you have to work. No!
Kumbaga,
So messing about to the
Right.
point.
kumbaga, ano parang,
Ever since?
Nagiging impacto talaga. Hindi, pero even before naman, nung bata pa ako, I always work even on my birthday.
yeah.
It's just that when you get
So as you get older, you
Yeah, take time
When
for
I was
yourself.
parang mga nasa 20th year na ako ng pag-aartista, parang, tumatanda na ako, parang kailangan ko na enjoy yung birthday ko. I have to enjoy my time already. Pero I had to work hard for it, yung to make sure na i-respect nila yung weeks na yon.
Right, right.
Ay, ano naman, pinagtrabahuhan ko naman yung respect na yon.
Yeah.
Please give this to me.
That's true.
Right.
I really need this. Pero the rest of the year, you can use me.
Work.
Wow.
Ang sexy mo use me. Yan, ibigay nyo na sa akin.
Hindi kasi diba?
Dito ko lang nagamit yun.
Pero it's it's so true. Kasi not everybody can demand that.
Yeah, or,
Yeah.
Kasi diba, like there will be like artistas who are like, please do not give me any gigs during the 2 weeks
Yeah.
of my birthday. They're like, wala ka naman talaga gigs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Good point ka
It's
doon.
kind of like putting a pause on everything on your life just to like celebrate.
And
which is
it's
great.
parang blocked off
Yeah.
na
Yeah.
a year before. Every parang pagkatapos January, May na kagad yan. Pagpasok ng taon, it's automatically blocked off already.
So parang
it's a
after,
big
parang after,
celebration.
No naman, we just
Just
go
one-
on a vacation. Yung wala lang ako, I turn off my phone, I turn off my
disconnect.
pocket bell pa yun.
Nadulas.
Kids go like, oh, what's that?
what's a pocket bell, ha?
Ang naka-on lang yung Tamagotchi.
Kasi mamamatay yung pet.
Pokemon Go na ngayon.
Bago na.
Exactly.
So parang after a while, you actually get to say na parang, no, this week, it's about May. Parang,
Ay, ito, from Pac 1. Hugot ng couples. That whole thing na you're not officially together unless you're Facebook official. If you post it on Facebook.
Like,
Pero I think for artistas, it's different. Kaya
Oo,
naman,
iba yung
gusto nyo super, ayaw nyong i-announce anything personal.
Kami wala kami anniversary.
what?
Not the being couple.
Right, of course.
Wedding
of course,
anniversary.
yeah. But as,
Yeah,
Bakit?
as boyfriend
Kasi,
girlfriend.
We were,
How do you know na kayo na?
hindi ko alam.
Sinabi ng puso.
sinabi na ng puso mo.
Kinikilig ako.
Oh my God! Ano tayo nanonood na movie?
Kinis ko siya nung walang camera.
Akala ko, kinis ko siya ng walang hanggan. Oh my
That will
God.
only happen if parang sobrang close but nothing is really said. Ganon?
Parang ganyan, oo.
Wow!
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Pero very normal.
Yeah, it's very
It's
normal
it's
also.
Yung people who get to know each other, di ba? Yung,
Yeah.
Hindi, pero
It was quite a
officially
long
nanliligaw
process.
ka.
I'd like to believe that. Para lang,
I'd like to
diba?
believe that. Para,
Para
para maganda tignan.
I'd like to believe that.
Kasi hindi
It's a little bit confusing. Kasi
Hindi yun ang nangyari. So, ano ang nangyari?
Confused
So, isipin in control ako nung panahong yun eh.
Hindi kasi, di ba
Hindi
yun?
ako magsasalita.
I know, there's so much laughter going on.
There's something happening on the side.
Hindi kasi di ba sometimes, it goes by the way of barkada kayo, your friends, and then you fall in love with each other. Yung iba, very
You maliligaw. Sagutin mo ako. Walang
It
ganun.
was just-
Mas ano kasi yung...
Mas organic nangyari.
No, I
Parang
think
may
that-
story. Hindi
Oo,
naman sa
hindi niya. She's looking for the words.
Actually, iniisip ko kasi kung paano din talaga nagsimula eh.
Sa set down ng Kristala? May nag-comment sa Facebook
May
Live. May nag-comment sa
nag-comment.
Facebook Live.
Actually, yes.
Ah.
Yung set na Crisala. Pero even before that, nung nag-meet kami ni Ryan sa studio ni Raymond Isaac,
that happened to us. What you were talking about, that I was too.
yung parang,
I was too familiar with her. I thought I knew her.
Oh,
Right.
really?
Yeah, I had a pictorial at that time. College pa lang ako nun. Tapos,
so mag-ingat ka.
Nako! You're treading on dangerous ground. Tread carefully, good sir.
may time
Si
na-
Ryan sabay akbay.
Sabay himas eh.
No, that happened to me. Akala ko kilala ko na siya because at that time, I was pretty new to the business. I had a pictorial, tapos na wrap up na. Tapos, minimikapan siya ni Juan Sarte in one corner and she was up for a pictorial next. And it was around that time also that I got an offer for a movie with her. But
You didn't meet yet.
no,
No.
I didn't get a chance to do the movie because at that time I had a girlfriend and I thought, nako, if I get into the business 100% this much, I knew it. I knew I might have.
Sorry! Facebook worthy yung mukha niya.
It's like, can I just say, for all the people on the road,
It's
parang,
so
sige.
early in the morning.
Their guards are down, their defenses are down.
Hindi kami dapat alam.
Explain ka lang dyan, go.
So,
Explain lang.
anyway.
Okay, so you
Anyway.
had a girlfriend and
I had to say no because I knew there was a big chance that but I had to admit
wait,
that
a big chance?
I liked her already that time. I mean, I had a I thought she was
may
cute
mali
and
siya.
may mali siya. So
Ah.
sabi ko naku, wag na kasi 'di ba? I'm happy where I'm at. Anyway, nung nakita ko siya doon, nakita ko in one corner may make-upan siya. Eh basta lumapit na lang, may pizza pa yata ako sa kamay. Hey, hi! Nakalimutan ko, hindi pala kami magkakilala.
Hey, you're starting in the business, so she probably didn't
Superstar
know.
na siya, no?
Did you know him at the time?
I see him. Tapos sabi nga ni Juan sa akin, magkakalala kayo sis.
What's the first impression?
Oh my gosh.
Wala, nag-hi naman din ako sa kanya. Cute naman din.
Oh my gosh. Like, her reactions are priceless. I get it. So, habang nagkakwano,
Wants to stay.
Saan galing yun?
Wait! No, I mean like, hindi kayo dumaan dun sa like, flowers, chocolates,
When
that
we
sort of
started
thing.
working kasi, there were, bugoy-bugoy eh. Sa set, there were 3 of us leading men. And of course, there's Cristala, right? And there's 3 leading men. Ako yung comic relief eh. So there wasn't much pressure on me to be a leading man on the set. We were the ones na magkaibigan. And so the roses came a little later, but not in the way you expect.
Not with the whipped cream. No whipped cream. No whipped cream. Oh.
No whipped cream yet. Naman doon, yung favorite niya.
No.
Pero syempre, mas marami yung favorite ko.
Ito, very this is something that only I think our guests will get to appreciate. Kasi obviously, not for us. But I am Judges says, hugot ng couples. If you're in showbiz, yung biglang i-accuse kayo na pag sweet kayo, sasabihin, ay, may pinopromo siguro yan.
Ay, oo,
Yeah.
Did they
right?
ever say that?
Hindi naman kasi kami love team eh. So we were spared.
Ay, oo nga.
Hindi
yeah.
kami love team.
I get that a lot.
Yeah.
Even before I met Ryan.
No.
Really? Because of the
Because,
pag-love team?
yeah, parang
Promo.
na-touch base ko naman na yata lahat ng leading man ng panahon ko. So, alam na yung mga tao. But yeah,